Hello everyone and welcome back. You have picked the right channel to watch, and over here we try to motivate, inspire, empower, and to help us to navigate our day with a little bit of encouragement. I colored my hair in the last video. It will be on YouTube, check it out. But today I shampooed. I didn't record that because I've done that before. And I'm going to put a mask in my hair. So this is what it looks like. I just came out of the shower and I shampooed it. So now I'm going to use, this is Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hair Mask. I'm going to do that. This is what it looks like. So I'll put that. So I'll put that in my hair. This is what it looks like. It's the color of honey. And I'm gonna take this and put it all over my hair. Make sure all the strands of my hair get that mask. Because when you color your hair, you want to protect it and take care of it. You want to keep it hydrating, moisturized, and when you do shampoo, you want to do a treatment just to make sure you don't get breakage and shedding. So it's important to take care of your natural colored hair. You take care of your natural hair, number one, and if you color it, you want to double take care of it. Don't go overboard so you can get protein overload, but make sure you keep everything in moderation. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm making sure I put a lot, and I'll show you what I do after I put it in. The edges, protect your edges. Because sometimes when you lose your edges, you tend to lose your self-esteem or your confidence. So know that it will grow back. Just take care of it, you know. We were taught so long ago that our hair is our crown and glory, and it is. But sometimes we tie ourselves to it, and if we have to lose it, before we take action, we just let everything linger and linger, and it takes longer. So by the time we get to address it, it's too far gone. So if you're having issues with your hair, take care of it right away. Don't wait, because it will cause more damage if you wait longer than if you take care of it now. And I know lots of people struggle with hair problem. I pray for you. I hope you get an answer and a solution to what's happening. After I finish do that, this is what my hair looks like with it. I don't know if the lighting was good, so I'm showing it to you again. This is what my hair looks like. And then I take a shower cap. I put a shower cap on my head to cover that because I want that thing to marinate and do a good job for my hair. After that, I will take a scarf, any scarf. This is the one that shows up because I'm a hippie by nature. I'm a nomad. So I take a scarf and then I'll tie my hair. That's to keep the heat in there because I'm not sitting under a hair dryer. If you have a hair dryer and you have the time to sit under a hair dryer, you can do that. But if you don't, you can tie it up like this. And if you're going to work, you can find maybe a nicer headscarf, tie your hair so nice and pretty. And all day long, your hair will be marinating and getting a deep treatment. And when you come home from work, you can shampoo with me. I'm going to tie this up. I'm going to go do my chores, and then I'll come back and I'll wash it off. And then I will take care of it with the other stuff that I do. But I just wanted to show you what I do for my hair with color and the deep treatment. I hope that was helpful to you. Always remember, on this channel, I try to leave you empowered. Please share this video with somebody else who might need it. I want you to remember that today is today, and that's it. Not tomorrow, not yesterday. It is today. Take your opportunity today. Take your opportunities, if you have more than one, today, because today is all you have. It is now time to go rinse my hair, so I'm going to take my scarf out. It's about half an hour. It's about half an hour, 45 minutes. This is my cap. This is my hair. I'm massaging it before I go rinse it out. Just massage my hair. It's nice and warm. My hair feels so warm. Because that's what you do. If you do it like that, you don't have to sit on the hair dryer because your body heat will take care of it if you tie your hair like that. You can leave it longer if you want to. Some days I would put it in the morning and I won't rinse it out until like nighttime before I do my shower in the evening. But today I did it, I think I had it in for half an hour to 45 minutes. So I'm going to rinse and you'll see it soon. I am now back. I rinsed my hair out. I didn't dry it, I just wrap it with that wrap. Your hair is always so itchy after you finish doing anything with it. So this is what it looks like. So this is what my hair feels like, looks like after I finish rinsing off the dip. After I finish rinsing off the hair mask, I use this one. Now I am going to use my leave-in conditioner. I always have different one, but this one is good. The leave-in conditioner, I take it and I put it in my hair. I rub it off from my hair. Everybody does this differently. I rub mine through my hair. Want to make sure every strand is covered. So I'll pat my hair like this, not with a comb, but with my hand, and I'll make sure everything is rubbed in. Get my oil. Right now I'm using the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength. And I will get some oil. I get a good amount. And I'm rubbing it in my hands together. And then I try to do the ends first. And then I can take the excess. And if I need to add more, if I don't have enough left on my hands, I take some more and I go in between my hair. And I massage. Don't rough up your hair because your hair is very fragile when it's wet, so you want to take your time and do it, you know. Sing a little happy song and do it. I have a massager right here and I always like to use it, so I'm gonna show you. I do this. Don't go too hard, too rough on your head. Treat your hair gentle because if you're too rough, it will break. And nobody likes breakage. So I'm just massaging. Usually I just use my hands. I always forget to use this little thing. But when I use it, I always remember why I have it because it's so nice, you know. Massage everything, including the edges. So we all need our edges. And that is it for my hair. And I just let it air dry, let it do its stuff. I like a messy hair. My hair is always messy. And that's that. I'm going to now go put some moisturizer on my face and enjoy the rest of my day. I hope this was very helpful to you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with somebody else who might use it. And again, as always on this channel, I like to say, stay empowered. Love yourself a little bit every day. A little bit more every single day will make a difference. Some of us had more self love than others growing up. So, in that way, it takes a little bit more time for each person to get to that level, but at least we will stay empowered here so we can motivate the next person to get to self love. It's a beautiful thing. When you see you know who you are and where you are in life, it is a beautiful thing. And I like sharing the things that I've learned, the things that work for me. Maybe you can tweak it your way and make it work for you. And with that, I am very happy. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I simply make up a saying to go out there, live life, have fun, and just do it. Do it. Don't wait for anyone to tell you do it. Do it. Bye. See you in the next video.